She is loud and stubborn. Her feet abide not in her house. Now is she without. Now in the streets, and lieth in walt in wait at every corner. So she caught him and kissed him, and with an impudent face he said unto him, I have peace offerings with me. This day have I paid my vows. Therefore came I forth to the meet thee diligently, to seek thy face, and I have found thee. I have decked my bed with coverings of tapestry, with carved works, with fine linen of Egypt. I have perfumed my bed with myrrh, aloes, and cinnamon. Come, let us take our fill of love until the morning. Let us solace ourselves with loves. For the good man is not at home. He is gone a long journey. Ooh, she cheated. He hath taken a bag of money with him, and will come home at the day appointed. With her much fair speech, she caused